Wait, this is part 2. Hi, my name is Jocelyn. Welcome to my bro's channel. I'm just gonna call you JJ, okay? So they don't know your real name. And you can call me JJ, okay?
Take it forever to load. You take it forever to load. Why? What happened? I've been
Okay, so
I glitched through the map!
Oh, what's going on? Okay, can you explain to the viewers what you're supposed to do in this game?
We're supposed to find the key, but I glitched through the map!
You wrote it down?
Yeah, I glitched through the map. Wait, can I see that? Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I can scan it.
What happened? I resetted my game. I didn't see you.
Oh, there's a glitch. Maybe your game
I
is
found the key!
He glitched to the key.
Okay.
Okay, so after you get the key, what's the next step?
You got the exit. Are you laughing? No.
You can hear?
You are dead.
Well, thank you for watching this video.
Yeah, bye.